Have you ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge technology and the natural world become true partners, working together instead of against each other? Imagine a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand, transforming the way we grow our food and care for our land. Meet the DJI Agras T40, your new partner in sustainable farming. This isn't just another drone, it's a revolutionary smart solution designed to target pests and weeds with pinpoint accuracy, all while protecting vital pollinators and preserving the health of your soil. The T40 brings advanced technology right to your fields, making every drop and every action count. With its innovative water-saving spray system and real-time data collection, the T40 ensures you use only what your crops truly need, no more, no less. This means less waste, lower costs, and a healthier environment for everyone. It's precision agriculture at its best. The T40 doesn't just spray. It maps your land, tracks soil health, and delivers powerful insights straight to your fingertips. With this information, you can make smarter decisions, optimize your yields, and farm more efficiently than ever before. But the T40 is more than just a tool. It's a source of inspiration for the next generation of farmers. It brings fresh energy and new possibilities to your fields, empowering communities and connecting people to the land in meaningful ways. Are you ready to help grow a future that's not only good for your farm, but also for the planet we all share? Visit arisacres.com and join the movement with DJI Agras T40, where precision meets purpose, and every harvest helps build a better tomorrow.